Hi there, my name is Avery from Song by Song, and I'm here to invite you to a workshop I have coming up called Chords Up the Neck, where we will expand our fretboard here from our chord shapes here in the 1st through 4th fret and try to learn some chords that are maybe up here the 5th, 6th, 7th, even all the way up to maybe the 10th and 12th fret as well. What we'll do is we'll start off with some 2-chord songs where we get used to kind of moving maybe from this part of the fretboard, this sort of lower part of the fretboard to the upper part of the fretboard here. In a song, say, one of my favorites is called Green, Green Rocky Road. It goes a little bit like this, and it might look like this when we play it. Green, green, rocky road, you promenade in green. Tell me who you love, tell me who you love. Now that's a quote-unquote simple 2-chord song. C to G7, back to C. But what I did was I alternated and kind of shifted some chord shapes up the neck to get a more diverse sound for the song. So it wasn't just the same 2 chords, same sounding 2 chords back and forth. So we'll start off with that to get ourselves warmed up, get used to using our little dots here to find our way up and down the neck. And then in the second half, we will get into the nitty-gritty of bar chords. Now that's when you take a chord shape, but you're using your pointer finger to sort of recreate the effect of the nut up here. So for example, if I took an A minor chord, but I wanted to move it up to become a B minor chord, I would use my bar here on my index finger and play a B minor or C minor, however the case may be. Those shapes are going to guide us all the way up to create lots of different chords with the same shape. But it's going to require a little bit of training of our fingers, make sure we're not clamping and cramping up our hands too much. And also understanding a little bit more about how these shapes are related to each other, even as we move them up the neck. So that'll get into more complicated songs, but I think at the end of this 2-hour workshop, I think you'll have plenty to work on, plenty to practice, and a whole new world of chord repertoire to explore and have some fun with. So I do hope you can join me. I'll be teaching this workshop, Chords Up the Neck, on 2 different days, 2 different locations. The first is Thursday, June 21st in Southeast Portland, and the second is Saturday, June 30th in Southwest Portland. I encourage you to check out the website, learnsongbysong.com, for the full details for each class and to get registered so I know you're coming and I know how many chord charts to make up. Really hope to see you there, and if you have any questions, you can always let me know at hello@learnsongbysong.com. Hope to see you there.